on, everyone? It's your boy back again. In this video, we're going to talk something a little bit different than we talked about before. Now we're going to talk about how we determine what a teardown is and what you should be looking at with your own renovation projects. How you can start to figure out if it's a teardown, if it's a patch and paint, or if you can rebuild. So we're here in a house that we just got. It's on Chepstow Lane in Falls Church, and we're actually going to tear this one down. There's going to be a new beautiful house coming at you here on this property, and we'll show you that process along the way. But right now we're going to take a look at just a couple things how you can quickly determine the condition of the house. So if you look up here in the corners, a lot of times what you'll notice with these old 50s houses, these are plaster walls. And if you have settling in your foundation, if you have settling in the walls of the crawl space, or there's any type of foundation issues. So now what you may notice is that this house doesn't actually have those cracks that we're talking about. And what that means is that it's a really good indication that the foundation here is actually really solid, which makes this, again, a desirable house for us because we can reuse part of that foundation to build our new house. Something else to look for as you walk around this house, you'll see that it's really small rooms, it's tight spacing, it's choppy. That's kind of the style of the 50s house. Unfortunately, in today's market, that's just not what people are interested in. That's not what they're looking for. And when you start to get into structural changes to a property, you really get into really large budgets. And that's what you want to try to avoid in any type of interior renovation is keeping that budget down to make it worth your while. So as you pan around in here, you'll notice it's small rooms. Now this house is trashed. That's another thing that, at DC First Properties, we buy them as is condition. We kind of clear everything out and do it that way. But those are just a couple of quick pointers to take a look at. Also, if you look around the exterior of the house, you'll see it's overgrown. There's a lot of grading issues. So you start to compile all of that together and you determine if you're going to tear it down, if you're going to renovate, if you're going to build new. So those are the types of things we look for here at DC First. Hopefully this video helps you when you're looking for your own deals or even your own interior renovation projects. Again, we're always trying to educate here, so please feel free to comment below. Let me know if you have comments, questions, concerns, you want to say what's up, and we're going to keep coming at you with some more content. So thanks for tuning in. I'll check you next time. Peace.